Okay,
Preview
of the trailer of Disney. Just kidding. Okay, I know you haven't seen me in a while. I'm just kidding.
I'm a
nerd. Okay. Hey, my name's.
I'm a law enforcement.
My nickname.
I'm a law enforcement police.
Okay. My name's Juggy. Oh, that's my. I thought you were lazy all the time. Fire. Oh, help me out. Oh. Help me.
I hear magic. That my game.
What kind of magic?
People call me Juggy because I'm drinking. I drink beer. Ooh.
See, police.
To kill this guy. The camera. Kill this guy when he's jogging.
Just kidding.
Okay, let's see what happened to the camera.
Playback.
Playback. Okay, they all died. Some guy and then he walked off.
I'm not even there, even when you're talking to somebody else.
Okay. Pretend I'm talking to you. Radio.
Yeah.
Three guys been dead inside the Dr. Phil hospital.
Oh.
Hey, Mom, what the hell happened in here?
Alright, I'll be
Are
there.
you okay?
I'll
Doctor.
I'll be here.
I'm sleeping.
I'll be there in a minute, alright?
I'm the only
just
one
waking
awake.
up. I gotta armor up though. I'll be there in 4 hours. I mean an hour. Half hour later.
Oh, Robert's probably in here. Found him.
Cause is that where he always hides?
I got the camera on tape. Why don't you understand?
Get up.
Change him. He's possessed.
Oh, you disguise.
Goes in here again. Hi. You in
You're
here?
under arrest.
He goes in here. Arresting dead body. Dr. Phil
Okay.
goes into this guy. Dr. Phil sleeping. Oh, okay.
Did he go in his skin?
Talking to a dead guy.
Okay, got him.
Meanwhile, the robber went possessing this guy.
The whole town. The policeman never heard of anybody outside in a long time. I thought I killed you.
This is the big thing. Look at this shaking bed.
Law enforcement, please.
Look at this shaking bed.
Sir.
Sometimes it's...
Sir.
Huh? What? What the hell are they doing?
I don't know.
I want to give them this guy so he could go in jail and...
He's holding a bomb.
Meanwhile...
There, I got 2 criminals. Ah! What are you doing here now?
My helmet. I'm masturbating.
You're under arrest for masturbating.
This guy died by
Okay, here's another Dr. Phil.
This guy.
Boogie up!
Okay, meanwhile, the guys are certainly... 2 guys are dead. 2 are masturbating.
Can you get up? Oh. Yeah? Can you tell me what happened? Where's all the town now? All of a sudden they disappeared. Oh!
Handgun in here.
Okay.
Meanwhile, we're gonna be recording in 3. I'm so stupid. 1, 2, 3. Bye, guys.
See.
Bye. See. Bye. Bye, guys.